morning, everyone.
Good morning.
So today is a bus building day, but we are starting off our morning with some yoga. And you guys know that we've recently started trying yoga and getting more into it. However, today is going to be a little out of our norm. Usually it's just us in our living room with the dogs crawling all over us. But we're on our way to a local park to meet up with Argosy Yoga, and they're this awesome couple from Raleigh who we connected with on Instagram, and they converted an Airstream, one of the smaller Airstreams, into a mobile yoga studio, and today's their first class, so we're super excited to support them, super excited to be there. And bonus, we are meeting up with our friends Anna and Kyle from Winston On The Road, which we're so excited about. We're all going to do some yoga together.
Oh, this is everything with you right next to me. So alive, and tonight I'm thinking that I don't wanna go. This is everything with you right next to me. So alive, and tonight I'm thinking that I don't wanna go.
Could you talk into the camera any louder?
Hey guys! Welcome to this week's episode!
There's Kyle. No.
Oh!
Hey! Guys, remember these beautiful people?
Hi! How are you?
The most beautiful.
Awesome. Welcome. Hi. I'm so pumped for you.
We're pumped.
Thank you.
This is adorable, and I love that you match it. Did you know you did?
That was not really intentional.
Okay.
It just sort of
It's like a subconscious thing.
Yeah,
It's a part of the process.
I channeled this trailer.
I was knocked down, heard the countdown through the haze, in the face of defeat, yeah. I was ruled out with no bailout, on my own, all alone, left to bleed out. But I rose up from the ground, just like I was spellbound. All the odds were against me, so I picked up the pace, and now I'm in the race. Give me some space. I'ma move.
We just finished our yoga session with Paige from Argosy Yoga, and it was amazing. She did such a good job, and there were so many people out here, but we're in this huge open field, so everyone was just able to spread out. And even though we're novices and newbies, we felt like we fit in. Fell over a few times, but had such a good time. And she's actually looking at doing classes like every Sunday, and they have like a kombucha thing on tap, a coffee thing on tap. So we're just gonna chill, hang out for a little bit, get a drink, and then get to work on Sunny. So we just finished the class and had a lovely time talking to Paige and Noah. They're amazing, and they're doing such an incredible job with Argosy. Yep. That's how you say it, Argosy.
Definition right here.
And it's just beautiful what they're doing. We're so excited for them. Had a great time yogaing it up with Anna and Kyle.
Yep, so we're gonna put their Instagram down below. I don't think they have a YouTube channel yet. We're trying to convince them to start one. But for now, go check out their Instagram account.
Give them a follow, share some love with them, and if you're local to the Raleigh-Durham area, oh, there go Anna and Kyle, bye! Be sure to book one of their classes on their website.
Okay guys, it's another day to work on the bus. We had a great time doing yoga this morning, Winston On The Road and Argosy bus, but now it is time to get to work on this guy. I haven't fully settled on how I'm going to attach it yet. I keep going back and forth between different ideas. However, I know one thing is that I am going to have to cut a hole in the side of the bus, and so I think it's just about time that I just did it and just cut it, you know, just do it. Yeah.
Opa! Good job.
Thanks.
That looks so good.
I just gotta hope it's the right size.
Guys, I came outside to check on Scott and he just cut a hole in the bus and it looks amazing. So next up is the ribs, but it looks really, really good. Poor guy, it's really, really hot out here. So lots of water and Gatorade breaks, but yay, we have another hole in our bus.
Hey guys.
Okay guys, as you can see, I have cut a hole in the bus. So, just bit the bullet and went for it. And so, now what I'm planning on doing is to rest this locker on 2 of the ribs and then another rib right here. And then, it's kind of hard to explain. It'd probably be easier when I just show you guys. But basically, what I gotta figure out is I'm gonna actually screw the locker directly into the ribs running up top. And so I'm gonna basically put a hole in the locker, run a thread through that, and then wash or nut it so it actually sticks to the top of the bus, and then have the lower beams basically just supporting it and securing it in place. So, yeah, step 1 done.
And while Scott does that, I'm gonna work on removing the final letters from the side of the bus. The never-ending project. Woo. And that's the night.
What's up guys? So right now we are currently on our way to go see the Hoops bus. So this is super cool. We're getting to meet up with 2 different people this week that are doing something different with buses and vehicles, and so yeah, we're excited to go see these guys.
It's really cool. If you haven't heard of the Hoops bus, you can find them on Instagram, but they're amazing. What they do is they're traveling around the country right now, going coast to coast on a nationwide tour, and their whole thing is they're a bus on a mission for justice, and they bring communities and people together through basketball, which we love. They actually have a hoop on their school bus. It's the coolest thing ever. But we're really excited. So we found out just like an hour ago that they're here in Raleigh. So we're on our way. They're hosting an event like right down the road from us, and they're giving out, A, they're playing basketball, and then B, they're giving out school supplies and laptops to kids in need. Because as kids return to school here in our county, they're returning virtually. So they need laptops. And so we are bringing about 4 boxes of these like school supply bags for them to give out to the kids that they're reaching out to with these laptops and everything. So it's really fun, really exciting, and we're excited to be able to supply them with some of these goodies. And yeah, we're excited to show you guys. All right, so we also have our bus mess. Shout out to Cheryl for making these bad boys for us. Love them.
Man, I went from a bag to a bag to a bag. I remember me and mama used to ride the cab. Pull up out the lot, no more lease, we paying cash. Show up to a crib, hand the keys to a Jag. That's that light work, flexing so much it hurt. Used to rock hand-me-downs, now Versace down my shirt. I remember them days we couldn't wait for the first. Finally made me a meal, now we eating off the verse. Yeah, but I remember being hungry. Sardines, ramen noodles, and macaroni. Had that wick cheese sandwich with fried bologna. Don't want no pity, this part of my testimony. Yeah, I probably could've hit a lick with all my homies. Instead I played it cool and sat at home all by my lonely. You can go be stupid, I'll be fine with being phony. Cause I seen how that worked out for Cedric, Byron, and Joey.
Alright, we had a great time meeting Nico. He's the founder of the Hoop Bus, and talking to Chris. He's someone who recently started volunteering there, and just meeting several of the people. Ooh, crazy light. And seeing what they're all about.
Yeah, we just love what these guys are doing. It's just such like a organic bringing community together. They literally just have a basketball hoop, a music playing. Obviously there's other stuff, there's food, but it's just like the actual event is just community coming together around this common core, which is basketball. And so, I mean, for us, we kind of take inspiration from that, because as we kind of begin to travel, that's our heart, is to spread kindness but bring community together. So we look forward to the day that we can put on our own community events just like these guys.
And we're putting a hoop on the bus, right?
I don't know.
One.
Terrible idea.
You guys, it's a good day. Scott has his fancy new creeper seat. Show it off, babe. Oh, don't break it. And we are tackling this guy. Okay, so Scott's been under the bus, and so I had to get a little creative with filming it because our huge DSLR doesn't really fit under there well, or just as nicely. And so I recorded some of it on our phone, so that way we can share some of it with you guys. But basically, he's been working on securing the first part. I don't know what you really call it. It's like threading the things to the L brackets or to the L things. Basically, he's making it secure, and then has a few more steps, but you guys, it's looking so good. Okay guys, it looks like we're about to tell a campfire story or something.
There was once a creepy school bus.
Couldn't even get through that. So we will talk you through the process of what Scott did tomorrow probably. But for now, we're gonna go in and call it a night. But it was a super productive day.
Okay guys, welcome back to this beautiful sunny day.
No more rain!
We left you guys telling that we're going to tell you where we left the locker. And so basically what I've done is we jacked it up using kind of the hydraulic jacks, and then we've got two rods on either side. One has kind of like a channel beam that we've kind of screwed up to hold in the bottom part, and then an L bracket at the back to hold it and kind of secure it from moving back. And so that's it's pretty in there right now, yeah. But then what we're gonna do is also frame it out on the inside, because we're gonna have separate compartments, and then that way we can actually secure it all along the top to the beams, just so then that way there's no jiggling around. And then the goal right now is to then trim all this off to make it all nice and pretty, because as you can kind of see, this sharp metal is a no-go. So we'll kind of push all this and attach it all together. So yeah, hopefully that should be it. But we're gonna leave this project for now, as we've got some good days coming up pretty soon. So we're gonna put this project on pause where we've got some good weather, and so we're hopefully getting out here to start painting, honey. So make sure you stay tuned for that.
So yeah, the locker is pretty much all done. We just got to frame it, finish the little inside pieces that Scott talked about. We are pumped. We hope you guys enjoyed getting to see kind of how we did it and how we made some under storage. And we hope you guys enjoyed this week's episode, meeting some other nomadic people and learning more about what they do. honestly two totally different styles of a unique vehicle and how they like live out their mission and vision and stuff, but it's really cool. We hope you guys enjoyed it. So you know what to do. You know how to thumbs up it. Go ahead. Do the thumbs up. Give it a double thumbs up. No, don't do that because then it'll erase one of the thumbs.
Oh yeah, that's true.
Just give it one thumbs up. Leave us some comments. You already know how to subscribe. Hit the bell, all the things, and yeah.
We will be back next week.
On the board.